Maggie here.
And Kay behind the camera.
Just a quick demo how to use our little tag topper tool. So basically it's our clear blue acrylic tool, and it's a rectangle, but each corner has been cut off at different angles. And it's just really to make quick tags so they're equal. Traditionally you used to cut a corner off, fold it over, line it up and then do it the same, but this way, just go to the edge. You could actually cut direct with a craft knife, but you might cut into your acrylic. So flip it over, line it up to the edge, and then you're just going to cut there and there. I can see that's not exactly straight, that's going to annoy me. And there, okay, and then also on here, you've got a hole here, which is for using with your ring for your other tools, and then you've got a central one here, and you've got marks there. So this is really to
come in on that because it's
this is to help. You can see you've got etched lines here.
That's it, yeah.
So that's your centre point. So now I'm just trying to line up roughly where my circle's going to be, and I might go up a bit higher, probably a bit higher still. Actually, I'll line it up on there. Okay, and I'm just going to put a little mark. That was a good mark, wasn't it? Okay, take my crocodile, and then I'm just going to punch a hole there. So then I'm going to, I think I'll use which die shall I use?
Do you want to put it in the centre of the
Yep. I'll use this one. So I'm using some of my
back towards you.
Back towards me as
That's perfect.
Okay, right. So I'm using some of my ring reinforcer dies, and then we'll pop another one on top, which goes on there like that. But then, do I want something else on top? So let's have a little look and see. Let's see if that one will fit. Now I'm playing with my eyelet dies. So there's all sorts of different combinations you can do just to have. That looks a bit scary actually, doesn't it? But there's all sorts of different combinations. So that's just one tag like that. But then if you want a different angle, just choose a different angle on the thing. You might want a really tiny little, just a little bit nipped off the edge. Just line it up, turn it over, line it up, turn it over. And you can do this for any length of paper, whatever you like, and that's a different tag. So that's all it is. Thank you.